Hi everyone. Today we'll be showing you how to replace the flapper.
Hello, this is a flapper.
First, you will remove the lid. Secondly, you will shut off the water. Next, you will flush the water down. And now we will remove the old flapper. You take this, bring it out, and then you unhook this chain from the handle. And now we install the new one. You want to make sure the chain is not too long or not too short. As you can see, this one is a bit long. So now we will make it shorter. Go. So now we turn the water back on. Please don't forget to turn your water back on. We'll wait for the water to fill up the tank. And we'll test our flapper now. Okay, so now we flush. And we're good to go. So now we put the lid back on the tank. And there you have it.
Bye-bye. Thank you.